Hello, I'm Alex. Something unusual happened with my dog recently. It was a bit scary. I want to share what happened and what I learned. It all started with something that didn't seem too serious. I noticed that my dog's back legs were getting swollen. At first, I thought maybe it's nothing, but then I saw fluid coming out, and that's when it became really worrying. He was still walking, but something was clearly wrong. So I decided not to wait and went to the veterinary clinic. Honestly, I felt quite anxious because you never know how serious it is. Waiting for our tram. I think he knows where we are going. A little nervous, but it will be fine. On our way in the tram. As you can see, he is so well behaved. The calmest passenger today. He doesn't even know how brave he is. We made it. This is the tricky part. Fingers crossed. At the clinic, we had to wait for some time. And those moments are always the hardest. Just sitting and thinking.
Niech będzie 9
They checked him, weighed him. Actually, he weighs about 51 kilograms now.
51. А, ну подожди, для чистоты эксперимента.
They prescribed treatment, including antibiotics. What really surprised me was the price. It was much more expensive than I expected. So, here is what I learned from this situation. Yes, visiting the vet can cost money, sometimes a lot. But going early, it's always worth it. It's much cheaper than treating the serious problem later. It's better for your dog because they recover faster. And it's better for you too, because when your dog is healthy, you feel better as well. So don't wait if something feels wrong. Take care of your pets. And if you are curious about which antibiotic we were prescribed and what I think about it, I will share this information in the next video. Thanks for watching.